Wendy and Bill have lived in their downtown home for 20 years with limited space for them and their kids, Noah and Isabella. Wendy is more than ready to move on.
I did love this house when we bought it, and I still think it's adorable, but it does not fit our family any longer.
The house is old, but it's got good bones, and I think it works. We're on a quarter acre. We are 10 minutes from everything that we do. The kids can be in the backyard doing their sports.
I want out now because when we bought the house, there was 2 of us, and my kids now are older. We have 2 bathrooms. The kitchen's not big enough for us, and we've just really outgrown our house. This is what we are missing.
What? The fridge?
Refrigerator.
The refrigerator is in a
hallway.
convenient location. It's convenient to the other room.
The other room is my bathroom, for God's sakes.
Would you like a pickle? What a pickle.
Bill, the main part of the house is 3 bedrooms, the kitchen, and the bathroom. And then previous owners added a great addition. They added it and they didn't connect the spaces. I don't like that little wall that divides us in the great room. It is time to move. There's no other argument.
I've done an evaluation on your house. Current value is $475,000.
That sounds good.
Now, who wants to stay, who wants to go?
I'm staying, and so does my son.
Okay.
All right, so what is the must-have list to get you out of this house?
Open kitchen, open living room, open concept, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, laundry, and lots of storage space.
Is that it?
I've got a list.
Do I want to hear it? He does have a list. He wasn't kidding.
1-car garage, same school district, a mature neighborhood.
See, this is both good and bad. It's a tough list now, but the fact that he put so much thought into it tells me he's seriously considering moving.
Really? I just think he's seriously saying to you, if you can't find me this, I'm not moving.
See, this is why I don't listen to your opinion, because mine was right. What's the budget?
$630,000.
All right, so we're moving out of this neighborhood. That's fantastic. Let me see what I can come up with, and then the dollars will be what the dollars are.
Okay, tell me what I have to do to convince you this is a home that you could stay in.
Open up and renovate the kitchen, because the kitchen is really teeny, and I would like to have my refrigerator in the kitchen while I'm cooking.
Oh, come on. Really?
Really. Create a better connection between the front and the back of the house. Add a guest bedroom. We always have to take my daughter out of her room and put her somewhere else. There's never anywhere for a guest to sleep. Renovate the laundry room. Renovate the bathrooms.
Okay, and what's my budget?
$125,000.
Okay, well, I'm going to take that $125,000 and transform this home, and when I'm done, you're going to love it.
I don't know.
I don't think so either. I think I'm gonna
don't
get lucky
think
on
so.
this one. I'm gonna find you a fantastic house in this neighborhood.
I'm counting on that.
And the only thing you're gonna say about this one is list it. All right, first house tour for Bill and Wendy. And this house is located in an incredible area close to downtown. It's 2,300 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a beautiful open concept main floor living. Now, there are gonna be some things that they're not gonna be thrilled about, but this house does have some things that really are normal for most houses, so they're gonna love that about this. Good morning, how are you?
How are you?
Good morning.
What are we, like 5 minutes from your house?
Close.
You did really
Real
well
close.
with that.
Great location. So, what do you think?
A little tight together.
Yeah, we're really close to our neighbors, David.
And no backyard.
On this one, yes, no backyard. Come on, look at the gardens here. Look, these are your gardens right here.
Ah,
Come on.
Okay.
Come on in.
Wow. This is
Steps.
a nice opening.
Yeah, steps. That takes you to the second floor. Did you guys say no to second floors?
No, not
No,
exactly,
we
but I
didn't.
wanted more on the first floor.
I mean, this is pretty much even. Your eat-in kitchen, family room combination,
Wow,
great
beautiful.
flow. It's
This is a
beautiful.
little small.
Did you hear what she said?
Yes, I'm standing right here.
The kitchen is small.
I
It
know.
is
I
small.
heard that. But it's so nice and open.
It's better.
Well, we have a family
it's
of
better.
4.
Well, Bill,
I-
it is
and-
better than what we have. It's just
not what
I
we
still
will
want a
have.
bigger.
Who knows?
Hey,
Hi.
guess what?
What?
I have a plan. Come on in.
Great.
So I've just been moving and rethinking the way spaces get used.
Okay.
Okay.
Your kitchen area will be here. The fireplace will be gone. There will not be a fireplace because I need space for cabinetry and everything else that makes this functional. And then we go into what was your kitchen.
Wow, the cabinets are gone.
Yeah.
It's not going to be a kitchen. What's it going to be?
It's time that your son had a decent bedroom. This is going to be his bedroom.
Really?
Yes, really. Now, his old bedroom can become your new guest room.
So that's our 4th bedroom.
We're going to update that bathroom.
That'll make you real happy with that.
Yes, it will.
How are we going to get from this part of the house to that part of the house?
Yeah. So we're going to go through that wall right there, the red wall, and we're going to come through right here that was your refrigerator home. This will now be open.
All right.
Oh, wow.
This will be open to your newly done bathroom.
Great.
We'll come in here to your favorite room, the great room, and that will be gone.
That's great.
That leaves the laundry. The bane of your life, I imagine.
Yes.
Oh, it's my favorite place.
But why don't we just make it nice anyway? Finish it, obviously, give you a proper floor, a nice laundry area. What do you think?
Well, I do like it, but it would be nice to have a master bedroom back.
What, sorry?
David's been showing us some houses where the ensuite is a big part of the master.
You can't have 4 bedrooms and an extra bathroom. Look what I just had to do, turn everything upside down and sideways to create a 4th bedroom out of this house.
Well, I'm sure you can think of something.
All right, I have a great house for Bill and Wendy today. They've got 3 bedrooms, they've got 2 bathrooms, they've got an incredible open concept eating kitchen, family room combination, they've got a finished basement, and it has stuff that their house doesn't have. You sorry I can't be there to show you the house. I would love to be, but obviously I'm back home being safe. I'm sure you found the place no problem. I mean, it's only like 3 miles from your house.
Well, it is outside the school district, David.
Well, there's a lot of house to see, so let's get inside and have a look. I think you guys are gonna love it.
David, it's beautiful.
Huh?
The floors are gorgeous. I love this accent wall with the wood. It's really pretty.
Nice island.
This is great, but really, there isn't that many cabinets. That's my only thing.
Now, the nice thing about that main floor is the flow and access to the backyard.
The flow's a little bit better.
And there's a shed.
Yes, there is.
I don't have one of those.
All right, guys, we got a lot more house to see.
Here we go.
So you're gonna head to your right down the hallway and head to laundry, and then we'll look at the master bedroom.
It's kind of tight space in this hallway.
Oh,
wow.
it's a perfect location, David. Right near the bedrooms where it should be.
All right, let's head to the master bedroom, which is incredible.
Wow.
Wow, this is much bigger than I thought.
I don't know if Hillary's giving you a master suite, but I don't think it could compare to this.
David's been trying to find Bill a move-in ready home, while at the house, work continues in the yellow bathroom and the dividing wall being demolished. And Chris confirms Hillary's plan for Wendy's new bedroom.
So you got to show me what you want to do with their master bedroom.
So there's their bedroom. And this room, that wall will be moved. And those 2 rooms combined is what we have to work with to create a master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and closets.
My only concern is our foundation underneath here is like 18 inches deep. It's going to take extra time to run the plumbing underneath
Because you're
there.
going to pull out all the joists, floor joists?
Yeah,
to
we're
get
probably
there?
going to have to pull out the flooring, extra flooring that we wouldn't have to, and then try to, even still then, try to get the plumbing underneath there, run our electrical and everything. So that's going to add cost.
So 25,000 is what's going towards this. 10,000 is left over from being over budget on the rest of it. Okay, fine. I'll deal with the homeowners, and I'll let you know how it goes. Let's come and see this. Isn't that incredible? Look at the difference.
That's incredible.
So where are we now? You both want a master ensuite.
Yes.
I've spent a lot of time looking at how to do this, and we would take Noah's room and sacrifice that to create what you want.
So we'd only have 3 bedrooms then?
3 bedroom.
A 3 bedroom, not
3
4.
bath.
It is the only way.
Okay.
I cannot believe I was able to find a house for Bill and Wendy in their school district. If they don't love this house, I don't think there's another one I can show them in their school district. It's 2,600 square feet. It's got a beautiful open concept main floor. It's got a main floor guest room with a guest bath right next to it. It's got a main floor master bedroom with a walkout to a 2-car garage. Plus, it has something that I know Wendy will love. She's not gonna get it from Hillary, and I doubt she's gonna want to spend the money to do it. Welcome to the neighborhood, and love the shirt. What's going on here?
Yeah, you guys are twinning it.
You know what that means. It's gonna be a good day for this guy.
I think it is.
What do you think of the neighborhood?
Great.
It's really cute.
Brand new house, Bill.
That's nice.
It's beautiful. I can't wait. Wow. This is an entrance,
I'll take a while.
David.
Wow.
How would you compare it to your entryway, Bill?
This is grander.
I love the crown molding.
All right, let's keep going. We're gonna head to our left, the first hallway.
Oh, this is a nice room.
I was thinking this would be the guest room. So right across the hallway, you've got your main floor guest bathroom, and probably it's gonna replace what a powder room would be.
This is really nice, David.
Nice bathroom.
All right, let's head back out, head down the hallway.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Grand kitchen.
Look at the main area, the eating kitchen, family room combination.
This is
Huge.
beautiful. David, this is a winner.
I love the sight lines to everywhere, you know, and all the natural light coming in.
Ah, what do I see? A screened-in porch?
It's like additional living space.
The backyard is awfully small.
It's less maintenance. All right, let's head back inside and look at that master suite.
Wow. This
really
is
nice.
beautiful. Look at all the light.
And it's big enough for a king-size bed and whatever else you want to put in there.
Oh my goodness. This is a surprise. Wow. This is beautiful.
Huh? That shower is amazing.
It is.
Good morning, Hillary.
Morning. Hi. How are you both? Excited, I hope?
We're doing well. How are you?
Well, I'm just absolutely fine. I'm just sad that I can't be there with you physically, but you know, we're in these days where we have to stay safe and stay close to home.
We are very excited to see what you've done.
We are.
Let's go.
Wow.
Oh, this is so cute. This is beautiful.
Better than I could ever imagine.
You still got a lovely little sitting area.
No fireplace.
No fireplace.
That's where the fireplace was.
This is so much nicer when you walk in.
Let's move on into that kitchen.
Oh my gosh, look at my kitchen.
Brand new kitchen.
Just stunning. Hillary, this is beautiful.
I see a fridge in the kitchen.
I know, isn't that a novel thing? One of the important things is you've got a peninsula where there is seating for all of you at the same time. You've got loads of cabinetry, the great sight lines, great connections. So this is really a terrific entertaining space.
I just can't get over it.
You really do like it, right?
I do really like it.
A yellow bathroom that is.
Oh,
wow,
my
no more.
gosh, Bill, look it. It's gorgeous.
It is wonderful. Look at the size of that shower.
Great transformation.
I can't even believe it.
And let's keep going from there.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
So now you have a full-on dining table.
It's gorgeous.
And we've also taken down, remember there was a support?
Yes, it's amazing. What a difference. It's,
Much more functional room.
yeah, it
with
makes
that
it
wall
look
down.
huge in here.
So let's go into the seating area. You can see that there is loads of space.
Hillary, it is so beautiful.
Never could imagine it would have been transformed into something like this. Unbelievable transformation.
All right, so now we're going to go and look at the bedrooms.
Oh,
Oh
wow.
my gosh, this was the kitchen. He has a room, like
It's a real bedroom.
he has a young adult's room. Wow.
He has a nice big closet. Take a look.
Wow.
It may be the best room in the house. I don't know.
Oh, no,
We'll
no,
see,
no,
but
no.
it-
We're going to keep looking to the best room in the house.